Yo, today we're about to chop it up on this thing called Elementor Kit-100. I'm gonna break it down super simple. What it is, how it bangs, what you score, and if it's legit worth your time or straight cap. No hype, no BS, just real, no filter breakdown. Alright, let's jump in. Alright, so first things first. Elementor Kit-100 is basically a website building toolkit for WordPress users, especially people who use something called Elementor. Now, if you don't know what that is, don't worry. Elementor is a tool that lets you build websites by dragging and dropping things, like text boxes, images, buttons, without needing any coding skills. So instead of hiring a developer or learning programming, you can literally design your website visually. Now, this Kit 100 is basically a bundle of ready-made designs, templates, and website sections that help you build pages faster. So instead of starting from scratch, you're getting a shortcut. Think of it like this. Instead of cooking everything from raw ingredients, you're getting a pre-made meal kit. You just heat it, customize it, and serve it. That's the idea. Now, let's keep it super simple. How does it actually work? Step 1. You install WordPress on your website. Step 2. You install Elementor plugin. Step 3. You import the Elementor Kit 100 templates into your website. Step 4. You open Elementor Editor. Step 5. You drag, drop, and customize everything. That's it. No coding. No technical headache. You just click, edit text, replace images, change colors, and your website is ready. It's designed to make website building feel like building with Lego blocks. Now let's talk about what's inside this kind of kit. Based on typical Elementor kits like this, here's what you usually get. Pre-designed homepage templates, landing page layouts, about pages and contact page designs, sales page or funnel style layouts, headers and footers ready to use, pre-built sections like testimonials, pricing tables, FAQs, mobile-friendly responsive design, drag and drop customization system. So basically, instead of designing each page from zero, you just pick a ready design and modify it. Main features explained simply. Let's break down the features in a very simple way. 1. Ready-made templates. You don't start from scratch. You just choose a design and edit it. 2. Drag and drop builder. You can move everything visually. No coding needed. 3. Mobile responsive design. Your website automatically adjusts for phones and tablets. 4. Fast setup. You can build a full website in hours instead of days. 5. Beginner friendly. Even if you've never built a website before, you can still use it. Now let's talk about the real reason people buy or use something like this. First big benefit, it saves time. Instead of spending days designing a website, you can literally get something done in a few hours. Second, it saves money. Normally, hiring a web designer can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. With a kit like this, you can do it yourself. Third, it's beginner friendly. You don't need tech skills, coding, or design experience. Fourth, it helps you launch faster. If you're starting a business, affiliate site, blog, or landing page, speed matters. The faster you launch, the faster you can start testing or earning. Let's talk about where people actually use this. You can use it for affiliate marketing landing pages, business websites, personal blogs, product sales pages, lead generation pages, simple online stores. So basically anything that needs a website, this kind of kit can help speed it up. Now, let's be real for a second. Tools like this are helpful, but they're not magic. They don't automatically bring traffic or sales. They just help you build the website faster and easier. Also, the quality depends on what's actually included inside the kit. Some kits are very high quality and well designed. Others are just basic templates that you might already find elsewhere. So the value really depends on the actual content inside. That's something you always want to keep in mind. Pros: easy to use, beginner friendly, fast website setup, no coding required, saves design cost. Cons: doesn't guarantee traffic or income. Quality depends on templates. Might feel basic if you already use Elementor Pro or similar tools. This is perfect for beginners who want to build their first website, affiliate marketers, freelancers, small business owners, people who want fast landing pages. But if you're already experienced with web design or using advanced tools, you might not find it very powerful. So yeah, at the end of the day, Elementor Kit 100 is really just a simple shortcut for building websites on WordPress. It makes the whole process quicker, easier, and you don't need to know any coding. If you're just getting started or you want something fast and simple, It can definitely help you get up and running. But if you're looking for something super advanced or totally unique, it might feel a little basic. So honestly, it just depends on what you're looking for. Anyway, that's my full take on it. Hope this made things clear and easy to understand. If you're into honest reviews like this, stick around. I've got more coming. Catch you in the next one.